Now we will try to add two numbers using JavaScript. For that, we have to create variables. We can directly do that one also. I'll do a small example how to do that. We can also run console here as well, right? Console code here in JavaScript we can do console, then log. So inside the log I can close this one first. Inside the log 5 plus 6, let me run this one. Try to run here. Okay, the code run, but we have to see that inside the console, right? You can go to console and you can see the output here, right? Okay. See, you can see the output here. So this way also we can check that one, right? So now I have run this one in console. Let me do it in doc type, right? I have to print this one in HTML. So what we have to do is we can directly print that one. First I will create the variables x equal 10. For JavaScript, it will automatically identify its integer or varchar or it's a text or numbers. It will automatically identify. Okay, you don't need to give the integer or var or something. You don't need to give. You can give the variable name and you can assign the values, right? Then y equal to 5. Then z equal to z equal to x plus y, right? Then we have to print z, right? So therefore I can use document dot write. Inside I can put z. Then I have closed. Now let me see, I have saved. Now I can run this one. We are getting the output here, right? 15. So our previous task is like console, that's also printed here. You can see console is printed. Then we don't need the console. I am closing the console and I have deleted the console script. Console script I am deleting. So you can see here the output is here, right? A little bit zoom this one. 15. You are getting the output. Now we can do like yeah, give me a sec. Okay, now we can do some modifications here as well. If I want to print like answer is or something, I can add some text here. Answer is z. Then I have to put a plus to join this one, the text and the variable. I have to use this plus sign to add both values, right? So let me see it's working or not. I'm still saved. Then press. You can see answer is 15. So this is how you can output the text and the a variable. Or you can do like, you don't need to do this one. So I can comment this one. You can use this / to comment this one. Now the compiler not read these three things. It's not read by the compiler, right? Compiler or interpreter. So now what I can do is I can we'll do like this. I'm allowing this one x and y. We have x and y. Now I don't have z. I'll delete this one. We don't need this one. Now what I can do is x plus y, right? X plus y. Let me run. There is a problem, but let me run and check. Then what we are getting? 105, right? 105. But is it correct or not? It's wrong, because 5 plus 10 should be 15. What happened here is it's joined these two values, right? 10, it's first print the 10, because we are printing x, then it's print y because we are printing we are getting 5. What we have to do is we have to add these two values, right? Therefore I have to put a bracket here. Now it will add both values, right? Okay, now our problem is solved. So this is how we can create variable and we can create the console values, right? So normally you can use that console to output the variables before we are printing the output. If you have any doubts, you can print console.log. Inside the log you can print x, and I'll copy this one, then y, you can print y. So if you don't believe these two values are adding the correct values, if you want to see the values which assign to these variables, you can see, like let me save this one and run it. Okay, the answer is 15, but we are not sure the x belongs to what value, y belongs to what value. So we can check it using our console. Go to inspect. Okay, inspect, then console. You can see like 10 plus y. So if you are even worry about the text, you can give x equal, then here y equal. Let me save and run it again. Okay, what's wrong? Okay, we are not putting plus here, no? Plus. Let me save and run. Now you can see like x equal 10, y equal 5. So we are getting this value inside the console. So we are confirmed, our assigned values are correct. Then the answer is 15. We are getting the answer inside the doc format. Inside the document, document.write, we are getting the answer. So this is how we are assigning variables and getting the output. You can do the like minus operations. You can use multiply operations, or the arithmetic logical operations you can do using this one. Like you can see, you are getting the output. If you change the values 50, let me see how it's working. Now minus 40. So you can see, you can confirm here the values, you can confirm here. So this is how the JavaScript basic things works.
Indian economy
exams இருக்கு ஏன் இப்படி ஓவரா பயப்படுற